What are we seeing here?
So what we're seeing here is video from the sensor on the F-18 Hornet, and it's what the pilot's seeing in the cockpit leading up to the weapon impact and what he sees after the impact.
Now, before we roll on this setting here, exactly what building is that and why has it been targeted?
So this is a light industrial complex that Daesh have taken over, and it's typical of what they've been doing in some of the larger population centres through Iraq. So they take over these areas because they're full of equipment and material that they can use to build vehicle improvised explosive devices.
So this is their bomb factory?
This is their bomb factory.
Let's see what happens. Now, at this stage, the missile's deployed?
Yes, about 40 seconds prior to the impact, the weapon's released.
And there it is.
That's the first of several.
Oh, you can see it keep going.
Correct.
What happened? We're seeing the post-strike video now. The aftermath is devastating. So exactly what happened there?
Right, so what you can see is the weapon effects are very good in terms of they've destroyed those buildings and what was in them. And what was not immediately obvious on the tape, but was obvious to the crew at the time, was that their weapons impacted set off additional explosions in there, which was further confirmation that there were explosives in those buildings and that we achieved the aim, which was to deny them that material, those weapons, and the space to build them undercover.
So what we're seeing, the Australian public for the first time, is that mission to disrupt and degrade ISIS in Iraq.
Absolutely. And you can see that the effects that we can achieve there with tailored weapon solutions, precision, advanced weapons, we can achieve the effects that we want to achieve and nothing more.
Because the concern is collateral damage. You want to take out that building, not all the surrounding buildings, which could be civilian homes?
Right. So what we're really trying to do is protect everything that we possibly can, the lives and the property of the innocent there. So we want to limit the additional damage we do around the target area to the absolute minimum. And sometimes what we can't do is, based on the weapons we have available, is that the damage may be too high and we choose not to strike.